Hi, I'm Trevor with Porch Windows Direct, and today we'll be installing our in-swing door. If you have plans in the future of buying our product, we'll be doing a demonstration of how to install our in-swing doors. So let's get it started. First, we're going to do a bit of Lexel around the door before installing. So yeah, this bit has to stay right on this edge. Alrighty. So right now I'm going to go to on the inside so I could have the reveals. I have to do a little shimming left or right. Oh, shoot. The plywood, we have to pull it out. You could slide in there. So yeah, so we're doing the alignment, make sure that the reveal on the top and the sides are the same. So gotta do a little shimming across there. So as you can see that the reveal at the top is equal. So right now we're gonna go to the outside. So I'm going to recheck again to make sure everything is, yep, so shim it, yep. Okay, so looking good. You want to go ahead and screw it up? So yeah, she's going to, so usually, put a shim to kind of make sure everything looks uniformed. All right, the next step is removing one of the screws. And then to screw through. So we do one at the top and one at the bottom. So, yep. So as you can tell that the door, perfect. So next step is putting in the lock. As you can see, first things first, the plunger. Then, yep. Perfect. Then, so the next step is putting the key onto the lock because they disappear very quickly. So press the plunger in to make it easier to slide in. Yep. Perfect. Okay, now we're checking for, yep, perfect. The sweep, and then it's very simple. Measure between the frames. So we have a 33. So what I usually do is have about a ½ inch left and right after I cut it off. So I usually pull it out here, measure from here, back, cut it. Okay. So usually do it's about a ½ inch left and ½ inch right. Then you open up the door, slice it between here. Yep. Alrighty, so look at this right here. Everything looks good. Then you pre-drill. Yep, so here too, the left and the right. Then you continue with the inside. Yep, that's it. Okay, so yep, we're doing a bit of Xtend. This has to go on the inside of the threshold. Make sure that it's watertight. That's it. Yep, so here is a tutorial on how you should install our Porch Windows Direct in-swing door. I hope this helps you, and if you are planning to purchase our product, that's going to be helpful to you. Thanks.